Okay, welcome back, and let's look at something quickly. Let's go ahead and call this function without a parameter. Let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and call this without a parameter. Let's see what happens. Let's save that and preview. And now you see it's saying hello undefined. And now it's saying hello. This one is saying answer not a number. Okay. And now there is one other thing we need to do. I need to show you that's what give room for defining a default value. And so looking at this now, I want to say if someone didn't enter anything, I would like to say define a default value. So I'll say this, and I'll say guest. And so this I would like to define a default value. Let me see if this can take more than one parameters. So I'm going to say 0. I'm going to say this 0. So let's see. And so hello guest. So this is simply how you can define a default value in your functions. And so you don't leave it like that without actually having the users define a parameter. It's having the user. So if the user doesn't put anything, your code doesn't throw up an error. And so in next tutorial, there is something called returning a value. Thank you.